Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Just yesterday, I made a video on this. And before I deleted it, I thought, that might work better if we put more rings and just have different colors. So I'm just going to build one from scratch again and maybe make it a little bit, because we don't want any of the lines to be touching. And to do this maybe correctly, I'm going to put my nudge factor on 1/4 of an inch. And I'm going to hit the plus key and just move it. Well, maybe move it over twice. And then I can control D and control D and control D. So now I've got 5 rings. I'm going to go ahead and group them together and hit P, put them in the center of the page. Control D. I don't have to alternate C because we're in the center of the page. I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees. And just like in yesterday's video, I need to delete some lines. So I'm going to have a few more lines this time. But you just want to think about those 5 subjects. And we're going to take the virtual segment delete key again with the Alt key. The Alt key is a time saver to be able to do something like this right here. We can leave all those solid just like we did yesterday. We're going to take the virtual segment delete key and delete that line, and these 3 lines, and that line. Now we're going to take the Smart Fill tool, and we're going to do, I don't know what color I'm going to do. Let's go red on the outside, the middle one. Well, I guess there's just going to be 4. I was thinking I made 5 lines, or 5. I did make 5 lines, but I only have 2 colors. And let's make the other one, you know what? I'm going to show it on a black background. Let me see what this is going to look like. Let me zoom in here and get black. Maybe it'll look wicked. And I don't have to show it on a, and one thing I forgot to do is to group the other things together. But if I do not select all those but the lines, well, I'm going to change my nudge factor to 5 inches. If I don't get the whole thing, it'll do that right there. Now, if you look, I nudged it twice. I'm going to nudge that twice, get it out of the way. Grab this and go and group it together and nudge it back twice. Control D, alternate C, 90 degrees. Control D, Control D. Yeah. I really wish I would have made, see, I had 3 rings on this. I've got 4 on that. Let's just do it. It's not that long of a process. I don't know what I was thinking, but take the arch. Let's go ahead and do it the other way with the 1/4. Let's make it a 1/2 inch. This way you don't have to hold down the control button and you get, so there's 1 section, 2, I don't know what I did. 2 sections, 3 sections, 4 sections, 5 sections. I was a little bit afraid of touching, but that'll work. Control G to group, hit P to put it in the center page, Control D, and rotate it 90 degrees. Now we got a few more lines to take away this time, but it really doesn't take any time. If you, even up here, if you hold down the Alt key, it will help you. See, now we got 4 lines on that. I find it easier to go ahead and do this part first and then worry, because the other one is just so easy. This is going to look pretty cool, I think. Now just clean this up. Alt key, lifesaver. Oh, I messed up. See, I did hit something. But normally if you go right down the middle and you don't, I'm trying to go fast for your video, but you don't have to go that fast. And now let's group this together this time. Save us a lot of time. Control G. And let's put black on the outside. You know what? Maybe we'll do the inside one's black. Since we're going to be putting on black, maybe. Take the Smart Fill tool and use red. And I'm not going to interactive fill tool these. I think this is going to look pretty cool. And because we did that, I can just nudge this out of the way. Control G to group it, Control D to duplicate it, and now alternate C, because we're just got one side of it, and go 90 degrees. Control D, Control D. Let's see what it looks like with black. It might look pretty good. You never know. Yeah, it's okay. You know, it is okay. It's pretty good. I could have maybe used a gray, and you can see kind of well, you can't really see the black lines because they're really not there. Um, what did we do? Oh, see, that's really pretty special there too. Anyway, I like the black. Anyway, hope that just gave you another idea, and thank you for watching.